In this video, I'll give you a complete tutorial on how to set up and use Super Affiliate AI for your business. Whether you're just starting out in affiliate marketing or looking to improve your existing campaigns, this tool can help. Let's get into it. First, let's do a quick rundown of what exactly Super Affiliate AI is and why it's so useful for affiliate marketers. Super Affiliate AI is an all-in-one suite of AI-powered tools designed specifically for affiliate marketing activities like lead generation, campaign creation, link cloaking, and analytics. It automates tedious tasks and provides data-driven recommendations so you can focus on big-picture strategy. Some key features include AI-generated landing pages, emails, social posts to promote your affiliate offers, automated lead generation and list building, link cloaking and rotation to improve conversions, in-depth analytics and tracking for all your links and campaigns, smart recommendations for optimizing your funnel and increasing ROI. With Super Affiliate AI, you'll save tons of time while benefiting from AI optimization to maximize your earnings. It's the perfect tool for any affiliate marketer looking to scale their business. Step 1: Installation and Setup. Getting started with Super Affiliate AI is simple. They offer monthly and annual options to fit your budget. The initial setup only takes a few minutes. You'll connect your affiliate networks like ClickBank, Share a Sale, etc. Then you can start using the powerful AI tools to build your campaigns. One of the first things to do with Super Affiliate AI is create optimized affiliate links for your offers. You simply add the URL for the affiliate product you want to promote. Super Affiliate will generate a perfect cloaked link automatically. It does this by creating relevant subdomains and inserting your affiliate ID seamlessly in the background. This helps your links convert better compared to ugly, long affiliate links. You can also enable link rotation to split test multiple links to the same offer simultaneously. The tool will automatically rotate each variant and display the top performing one to users. The result is higher conversions and commissions over time as Super Affiliate AI learns what works best. Now it's time to drive traffic to your affiliate offers and generate leads. Super Affiliate AI makes this easy with built-in tools for content creation and list building. For example, you can use the AI copywriter to generate high-converting emails, social posts, landing pages, and more to promote your affiliate links. The AI will create on-brand, optimized content in seconds that you can tweak if needed. You can also build your email lists easily with the lead generation tool. It will identify and target potential subscribers with compelling offers tailored to their interests. Additional traffic sources like native ads and influencer marketing are also available through Super Affiliate AI's extensive in-house network. The more leads and traffic you can drive, the more your commissions will grow. Step 4: Tracking and optimization. The key to successful affiliate marketing is constantly testing and optimizing your campaigns. Super Affiliate AI takes care of this with its sophisticated tracking and analytics.